Okay, so we're doing a Nearpod to review the forms of energy and just identifying those. So first one is a collaborate board. You can have them share about something that they did over the winter break, and then identify the forms of energy that they either used or experienced or saw demonstrated during that experience. Maybe they looked at Christmas lights or baked cookies or did something else. Just have them share about something they did over winter break, and maybe it was playing their video games, and they have to identify all the forms of energy that were used. Then here's just like a review piece, some keywords to point out to them. This is a drag and drop activity, so these duplicate over and over again. So there's a lot here that they can label. I don't expect them to find every single thing. Uh, just encourage them to find as many as they can. And the main thing is a lot of these, and they need to be aware that a lot of things demonstrate more than one kind of energy. So like lightning bugs are light, but you have to assume that they're also flying around and moving. So if there's moving parts, it's also mechanical energy. So just making sure that they label things twice. And then you just kind of look through and make sure you don't see anything too off. Something to point out is that the coat would be thermal, and they've got the coffee cup. We've got sound here. She's laughing, so there's sound. With a guitar would be sound. This could be mechanical. So there's a lot here. The crickets could be sound and mechanical because they have to move their legs. So there's a lot that they can label. So just as many things as they can label in whatever time frame you want to give them. So like Christmas lights would be light and electrical. So the main thing is finding those multiple energy forms. This is a video showing them exactly how fireworks work. So you'll watch that with them or let them watch that, and then they will have to kind of revisit each step in a firework going off. And so they have to identify what form of energy is being demonstrated there. So the black powder is shooting the shell up into the air. If it's moving it up into the air, it would be mechanical because you have movement. The electrical igniter lights the fuse at the bottom would be electrical. And I tried to give them some keyword like hints because it's a little bit difficult for them. The fuse burns towards the middle would be thermal. Fireworks burst in the air displaying the different colors. So the fact that we can see those different colors would be the light. And then the fireworks are loud. So that would be your sound. So those are the answers to that one. And then finally, they're going to just use their text box tool to type in their answers to each question. So what types of energy does fan use? So they have to list all types. So it would be mechanical and electrical. For some reason, they always think that fans are thermal energy. I don't really understand why, but they always want to go there. So just be on the lookout for that. But the fan would be electrical and mechanical. The iron would be electrical and thermal. The objects that use only mechanical energy, keyword there is only, and that's a big thing on the STAR test. I always try to trip them up with words like that. So the ones that are only using mechanical would be the hamster and the pencil sharpener. They perform their task with only mechanical energy. They don't have to be plugged in. They're not putting off any heat, anything like that. And then finally, uses light as an energy source would be, of course, the solar panels. And that's it.